everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smart task list in Google Sheets. When you tick a checkbox, the task will automatically turn grey and get a strike through. Your active tasks will stay in one list, and all completed tasks will move into a separate list automatically. Let's get started. Our first step is to add checkboxes next to each task so we can mark them as completed. Go to the menu, click Insert, and then select Checkbox. Now, let's set it up so that whenever I check a box, the task will automatically dim and have a strike-through effect. First, highlight the entire task list where you want the formatting to apply. Click on Format and then choose Conditional Formatting. Under Format Rules, click the drop-down, scroll down, and select Custom Formula Is. Now, we need to link the formatting to the checkbox. My first checkbox is in B4, so I'll type this formula. Now, let's change the formatting style. Select Strike Through, remove the fill color, and change the text color to a light grey. This way, when a task is completed, it will look dim and crossed out. Now click Done. Next, let's create a column for our active tasks. This will let us quickly see which tasks are still in progress and need our attention. We'll use the filter function to show only the active tasks. Our task list is in column C, rows 4 to 11. So we start with C, 4 to C11. Then we add the condition using the checkbox column, which is B4 to B11 equals false. This way, only tasks that are not checked will show up in the active task list. All our active tasks now appear here. Now, you'll notice that if all tasks are completed, the active task list shows an error. To fix that, we can wrap our formula in an if error. We just place it in front of our existing formula. And then the error is gone. Now instead of showing N/A, the column stays nice and empty when there are no active tasks. For the completed tasks, it's super easy. We just copy our active tasks formula, but instead of using false, we switch it to true. That way, only the checked off tasks will show here. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you've got a smart task list in Google Sheets that updates automatically. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips. See you in the next video.